guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anika, and if you're new here, welcome. If you're not new here, welcome back. Thank you guys so much for constantly watching my videos. It means a lot to me, and I know it may not seem like a lot, but it means so much to me. I really appreciate the love and support, and yeah. Anyways, today I'm gonna be doing a vampire inspired Halloween makeup look slash tutorial. That's why I got this choker on. I don't usually wear chokers. Oh, can't breathe, but it's okay. Do it for the YouTube, you know. I'm just gonna go ahead and hope that it comes out looking nice. If it doesn't, then I'll just change the title from makeup tutorial to attempted, you know. Anyways, like, comment, subscribe. What was that? Like, comment, subscribe, and let's go. I adjusted the brightness just a little so it doesn't wash me out, and if I'm looking over here it's because my mirror is right there and I like to look at myself. Yeah, so I'm just gonna get started. So first I'm gonna be taking the Amuse eyeshadow primer, and I'm just gonna prime my lids with my finger. I'm gonna be using the Profusion Mixed Meadows eyeshadow palette. This is what it looks like. Like, how pretty is that? Of course I'm gonna show y'all what inside looks like, but anyways, I'm gonna take the shade Mellow and I'm going to set my lid. Okay, now I'm gonna be taking these shades let's see, Heavenly and Rust. I'm just gonna put that like directly into the crease. Okay, so now using the same eyeshadow brush, I know like you're not supposed to use, the same one because the colors can mix, but that's the whole point of this look. I'm gonna take the shade Devious, which is a dark purple, and I'm just gonna blend that in with the other colors. Okay, now taking a different brush, I'm gonna dip into the shade Risky, and I'm gonna just place that like on top of the lid, like so. Ooh, I don't know which mirror to look in. Okay, I'm back. It took me like 5 minutes to finish blending to make it look, messy and, dead. I don't know. Oh, I forgot what I was gonna do. So I'm just gonna smudge underneath. Well, I already started, but sorry. I'm gonna smudge underneath the eye with Risky and Devious. And I'm just gonna like bring it down. Now I'm gonna take this face palette that I had gotten from Walmart, and we're gonna attempt to do some veins. If I realize that it's not gonna go good, I'm just gonna erase and delete. Okay. Ooh, it looks good from far away, so we're just gonna keep it far away. I'm not even gonna go up close, but I am gonna take that same brush and I'm just going to like slightly smudge it. So it is there, but it's just more faint because before you could see like obviously how I made a mistake with it. I'm gonna take this Profusion Glamour Bar. I'm gonna dip into the bronzer shade, and vampires usually have like hollow cheeks, so it's gonna be like blended but not blended. I mean, the whole point is not like to blend it, because you're a vampire. You're supposed to look, dead, hollow, like you literally have no skin. I'm gonna be taking the Ofra, what is this, Rodeo Drive, and I'm not gonna even like use too much. Usually I use a lot of highlight. Ooh, now we are going to do my lipstick. I don't usually do lipstick because I don't like how it looks, but obviously for this I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna take the Profusion. Actually, why doesn't Profusion sponsor me at this point? Profusion lipstick, oh, what is it, matte lip cream in Matte Fantasy, and we're gonna put that on. This is what it looks like. So it's very, you know, grunge. Let me put this right here so y'all can like see me apply it. I'm using that to imitate blood, so alright guys, so I have to say that this is the final look. So let me make y'all like look close. Well, actually don't look too close because the veins, they ain't it. But if you have like more artistic ability than me, then you'll be fine. But I actually like how this came out because this is different. I don't usually do looks like this, but oh my gosh, y'all, I forgot. I actually bought this from Walmart. Oh my gosh. So I have fangs just to complete my look. So let's put them in. So how do I get it to stay? How do I get it to stay in my mouth? Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Those fangs are so hard to work with, but I'm really about to try to work with them like so hard right now so I can take a nice picture for my Instagram. I just want to say, hold up. I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching and, you know, being subscribed. So I love you and peace.